supposed to really express the following in the single fraction in the simplest form. Okay, so if you take a look at this question, 2x minus 1 over 3 minus 4 over 15. Again, for fractions, you do take note that you have to have the denominator to be the same. In order for you to recognize the denominator to be the same, you need to find the lowest common multiple. So you have 3, 15, and 5. So what we want to do is, if you look at the LCM of 3, 15, and 5, right, that's the LCM of 3, 5, 15. Easily you can see that it's just equals to 15. All right, you should be able to see this quite comfortably. And from here, that's where you know that if I want all denominators to be the same, just like primary school. Okay, so 3, if I want to make this 15, I need to multiply by 5. Right, so it's like 5 at the denominator and 5 at the top. Now take note, is 5 multiplied to the whole entire numerator. It's not just to 2x. Okay, a common mistake made by students is you all just multiply 5 to 2x and you forgot the 1. Now remember, this is to the entire numerator. Now for 15, 15 is already set, so we don't need to do anything to it. For 5 here, we need to make it 15, so we will multiply by 3. And I'll just multiply by 3 at the front. Right, it's the same because this 3 and this 3. For algebra, we like to put our coefficients at the front. Okay, so with that, I'm just going to write it nicely. 5 bracket 2x minus 1. This is my first fraction. Minus 4. Okay, so I put minus 4. Minus, there's a minus here again. Okay, and the next term you can see is the entire 3 multiplied by 3, 4 minus x. So 3 times 3 is just 9, right? 9 of 4 minus x. You can see that I simplified all the terms before the question. So this is what I have. Okay, can I? So do take note that I have kept my fraction, my brackets intact. I do not do anything to the brackets until I combine them. I do not do anything to the brackets. Don't remove the brackets too early, because this may be a potential for careless mistakes. Okay, the idea is that when you're adding them as like the total entities. You add the entities one by one, the whole numerator add together. And when you're adding it, you keep it as what it is. That takes priority. Alright, don't open the brackets so early. Now that they are combined, you can start to open your brackets. Okay, so let's do it one by one. 5, 2x, like let me just use maybe blue ink. Positive 5 to 2x, then give us 10x. Positive 5 to negative 1, that gives us minus 5. Minus 4 is just minus 4. Negative 9 to positive 4, that gives us minus 36. Negative 9 to negative x. Negative 9 times negative x, then give us positive 9x over 15. Okay, and with that, just combine your like terms. 10x is alike to 9x. These two together, 10 plus 9 give you 19x. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 36 all together. Minus 4 minus, this should give you a total of minus 45. Okay, so let me just use split again. And the denominator is 15. Now once you observe this, check that it's already the simplest form. Right, you always have to leave your fraction in the simplest form. If the answer still can be factorized, you can cancel off common factor. From the top and bottom, you have to cancel. Just like we do not leave our answer as 3 over 6. Alright, we leave our answer as 1 over 2. You have to factorize it. Okay, thank you.